Hello there! I've been trying to make weekly videos for this Conlang channel, and I didn't know what to make this time. So what I did instead was I ended up writing a program to parse a plaintext dictionary to make a dictionary that can be read by a computer. Specifically, this is an Esperanto-English dictionary, so I took this dictionary from Panorama, I think, and then I put it in a text file. I did some formatting on that text. I wrote a little Python script. So this Python script would read in every line of the file. I used a pipe character as the delimiter in that file because that would just be easiest. If I used a comma, that would have caused problems because there's no double quotes to kind of help delimit what things are. So I took that file, I read it in, I split it on the pipe, and then I wrote that back out to a nicer CSV file, but I also detected what kind of word I was looking at based on the last character of the entry, and then using that, I was able to make a noun dictionary, a verb dictionary, adjectives, and adverb dictionary. So now this can be used in a computer program somewhere if you needed to generate sentences or something else like that, but yeah, that's what this is. These files can be opened in basically Excel or LibreOffice Calc, or you could just open them in a text editor. And if you know how to program things and parse data, you can use them for all sorts of little projects. I might try to do some sort of like random or procedural comic generator. And I've put all of this up on a repository, so it is free and publicly available to use. Just go to the link that I have in the description or go to my GitLab page.